Hello, and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you have been sent this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from an engine shampooing. Maintaining the cleanliness of your vehicle's engine might seem like a minor detail, but engine shampooing plays a crucial role in the overall health and longevity of your vehicle. Engine shampooing involves cleaning the engine bay to remove grime, oil, and debris that have accumulated over time. Here's why this service is essential and how it can benefit your vehicle. An engine shampooing is broken down into several broad steps. This includes preparation, protection, degreasing, rinsing, drying, and a follow-up inspection. What are the benefits of engine shampooing? Enhanced performance and efficiency. A clean engine operates more efficiently. Dirt and grime can lead to overheating and affect the performance of critical engine components. By removing these contaminants, you ensure that your engine runs smoothly, potentially improving fuel efficiency and overall performance. Early detection of potential issues. Engine shampooing allows for a closer inspection of the engine and its components. When the engine bay is clean, it is easier to spot leaks, cracks, and other signs of wear and tear that might otherwise go unnoticed. Early detection of issues can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your engine. Increased resale value. A clean engine bay can significantly enhance your vehicle's resale value. Potential buyers often look for well-maintained vehicles, and a spotless engine can make a strong impression. It demonstrates you've taken good care of your vehicle, which can be a deciding factor in the sale. Preventing corrosion. Engine components are exposed to various elements including heat, moisture, and road salt. Over time, these factors can contribute to corrosion and rust. Regular engine shampooing helps remove harmful substances that could accelerate this process, protecting your engine from corrosion and extending its lifespan. Improved safety. A clean engine is safer. Dirt and debris can obstruct critical components such as belts and hoses, potentially leading to malfunctions. By keeping your engine clean, you reduce the risk of such obstructions and ensure that all parts are functioning correctly. And lastly, easier maintenance. Regular engine cleaning makes routine maintenance tasks easier. When the engine is free from grime, accessing components for repairs or routine checks become less cumbersome. This can save time and effort during mechanical and repair work. Now, how often should you get an engine shampooed? Well, it does vary from place to place based on factors such as dust, pollen, or various other road debris. Generally speaking, the most time people get their engine shampooed is when they feel like there might be a leak present, and this is done for diagnostic reasons. However, I feel every 2 to 3 years is fair for most vehicles if your end goal is to keep it in peak running condition. Engine shampooing is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It is a vital part of maintaining your vehicle's health and performance. By incorporating regular engine cleaning into your vehicle's maintenance routine, you can improve performance, extend the life of your engine, enhance resale value, and ensure safety. If you would like us to move forward with the engine shampooing, please let us know right away. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call in and we'll do our best to answer them to the best of our ability. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.